U.S. Stock Market Outlook, Pre-Market Briefing. Good morning, everyone. Here are my observations and thoughts on today's U.S. stock market. This is intended for discussion and educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Key market focus bearish factors. The U.S. has launched a new round of military action against Iran while further tightening restrictions on Iran's crude oil exports. Concerns over escalating tensions in the Middle East and potential disruptions to energy supplies have pushed oil prices higher and lifted inflation expectations. Investors are closely watching the release of the Federal Reserve's June FOMC meeting minutes later today. A more hawkish tone could alter expectations for the pace of future rate cuts and increase market volatility. The technology sector remains under pressure. Weak earnings and industry-related news from several semiconductor companies have weighed on chip stocks, making the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index one to watch. Weakness across Asian technology stocks has also dampened sentiment toward the U.S. tech sector. Positive factors. The AI sector continues to show resilience, with several leading companies holding up relatively well. Investor interest in artificial intelligence remains strong. From a medium to long-term perspective, energy prices are still expected to ease, which could help alleviate inflationary pressures over time. Technical outlook. Nasdaq 100 futures. The short-term trend has weakened, with prices falling below several key moving averages, suggesting the market has entered a corrective phase. Key levels to watch: support 29160-29000， resistance 29400到29600。If the index stabilizes within the support zone, a technical rebound may be possible. However, a decisive break below support could open the door to further downside. Personal trading view. I currently favor a range trading approach while maintaining disciplined position sizing. If the index rallies into the resistance zone but fails to break through convincingly, downside risk may increase. If the market pulls back to support and shows clear signs of stabilization, a short-term rebound could present an opportunity, but strict risk management remains essential. Volatility is likely to pick up around the release of the FOMC minutes and any geopolitical developments. Consider managing exposure prudently and avoid emotional trading decisions. The above reflects my personal market observations and is shared for educational and discussion purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice. Please make independent decisions based on your own risk tolerance. U.S. stocks. Nasdaq 100 stock market and Nvidia Meta trading investing market outlook.